Now we are ready. Two words. As we have people here speaking more than 20 languages, I'll say a few words in English, then Avram will say a few words in Turkish, and I'll try to speak louder. So, first I would like to thank all of you for coming to celebrate with us this big event. I would like to first thank our customers that always keep buying from us, the most important, our agents that represent us all over Europe, and our suppliers that supporting us since the first days of the company. Many thanks to our team of workers, that many of them are with us since our first day in Turkey. This year we celebrate 10 years in Turkey, so it's quite a long way that we're having the same people, the same team. Many thanks to Avram, that without him none of what you can see have happened. And one last thing, and very important, about bathtub production. As you know, there are many bathtub producers. They are faster, slower, cheaper, more expensive, better quality and higher quality. But one thing is unique to Activa Green, is that we make bathtubs from our heart. So this you can be sure. So
Good.
Many thanks to all of you for coming. I hope you will enjoy the weekend with us. After this short ceremony, we'll take the bus to the hotel for dinner and party. And tomorrow we're going to Ephesus, Meryamana and Shirinje to see a little bit of Turkey. For the people, it's the first time coming here. So have fun and enjoy with us this weekend. Thank you.
Bravo!